7 body signs you should never ignore. Your body is talking. Are you listening? Have you ever had that gut feeling that something just isn't right? A strange ache, a sudden change, a whisper from your body that you decided to ignore. Big mistake. Because the truth is, your body whispers before it screams. And if you miss those whispers, they can turn into a roar. A roar that comes in the form of a diagnosis, a hospital bed, or worse, a life-threatening emergency that could have been prevented. Sounds dramatic? It's not. Today, I'm going to show you 7 body signs you should never, ever ignore. Because these are not just random things. They're warning lights. And ignoring them is like covering your eyes while driving straight toward a cliff. Let's start. Sign number 1. Chest pain or pressure that doesn't go away. You're sitting on the couch, maybe watching TV, and suddenly, there's this tightness in your chest. Not stabbing, not super painful, just heavy, like someone sitting on your ribs. So you brush it off. Maybe it's just indigestion. Maybe it's anxiety. Maybe it'll go away. But here's the deal. Chest discomfort is one of the most commonly ignored symptoms of a heart attack, especially in women. It might not feel like the movies. You might not fall to the floor clutching your chest. But that dull pressure, that shortness of breath, that cold sweat, that could be your heart waving a red flag. And every minute you wait, the damage gets worse. Heart disease is still the #1 killer in America. And it doesn't always shout. Sometimes it just whispers. Don't ignore the whisper. Sign number 2, unexplained weight loss. You step on the scale, and you're lighter than last week. Cool, right? But here's the question. Did you try to lose weight? Did you change anything? If the answer is no, and you're dropping pounds without trying, that's not good news. It could mean your body is burning through energy because something's wrong. Cancer, thyroid problems, diabetes, digestive disorders. Your weight doesn't just drop for no reason. It's like your body is leaking energy, and you need to find the leak. Don't celebrate unexplained weight loss. Investigate it, because losing weight without trying might be a symptom, not a victory. Sign number 3, yellowing skin or eyes. You look in the mirror, and your eyes look off, a little yellow. Maybe your skin does too. At first, you think it's the lighting, or maybe you're just tired. But here's the thing, yellowing of the skin or eyes is called jaundice, and it usually means your liver is in trouble. Your liver is like your body's chemical factory. It filters toxins, breaks down fats, helps with digestion, and keeps your blood clean. When it's overwhelmed or damaged, bilirubin, a yellow compound, builds up in your body. That's when you start to see it. Jaundice could mean hepatitis, or liver disease, or even pancreatic cancer. It's not just about looking off. It's your body's way of saying, asterisk, something is broken inside. Asterisk, don't ignore the mirror. It might be showing you more than your reflection. Sign number 4, a persistent cough, especially with blood. We all get coughs. Seasonal allergies. A cold, dry air. But when a cough hangs around for weeks, that's different. Especially if it gets worse at night. Or if you're coughing up blood. Even a little. That's not normal. It could be an infection deep in your lungs. Or chronic bronchitis. Or, and here's the big one, lung cancer. The truth is, lung cancer is one of the deadliest cancers. Not because it's the most aggressive, but because it's often found too late. People ignore the signs. They think it's just a cough. Until it isn't. If your cough lasts more than 3 weeks, get it checked. Your lungs are trying to talk to you. Are you listening? Sign number 5, sudden numbness or weakness, especially on one side. Imagine this. You're drinking coffee, and suddenly your arm feels weird, heavy, numb. Maybe your face feels off too. You try to speak, but your words sound strange, even to you. If this ever happens, even for a minute, stop everything. Call 911, because this could be a stroke. And when it comes to strokes, every second matters. Your brain is like a supercomputer. But during a stroke, parts of it are starved of oxygen. And every minute you wait, brain cells die. The signs are easy to remember. F.A.S.T. Face drooping. Arm weakness. Speech difficulty. Time to call 911. You might feel fine in an hour, but your brain might never be the same. Don't wait it out. Don't take a nap. Don't assume it'll pass. React fast. Because when it comes to strokes, speed saves lives. Sign number 6, unusual bleeding. Blood is meant to stay inside your body. So, if you see it where it shouldn't be, pay attention. Blood in your urine, Could mean kidney stones, infection, or bladder cancer. Blood in your stool. Could be hemorrhoids, but it could also be colon cancer. Bleeding between periods, or after menopause. Could be hormonal, or a warning sign of uterine issues. And if you're coughing up blood, even just a bit, don't assume it's just irritation. Any unusual bleeding is your body's emergency flare. It's not drama. It's not panic. It's precaution. Get it checked. Because one appointment can mean the difference between early detection and too late. Sign number 7, extreme fatigue that doesn't go away. We all get tired. Long days. Stress. Lack of sleep. But this is different. This is tired that doesn't go away. Tired that doesn't make sense. Tired that's in your bones. You wake up tired. You go through your day in a fog. You don't even have the energy to do the things you love. This kind of fatigue is a signal. It could mean anemia. It could mean thyroid issues. It could mean heart disease, chronic infection, even cancer. Or, and this one hits hard, it could mean depression. Fatigue isn't always physical. Sometimes it's emotional, mental, spiritual. If you've been feeling this way for weeks, don't just push through. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You might be dealing with something serious, and it's okay to ask for help. Your body is not a machine. It needs care. It needs attention. It needs you to listen. So let's recap. Your body speaks to you in subtle ways. Through pain, through fatigue, through change, through discomfort. These 7 signs are the whispers. Chest pain or pressure. Unexplained weight loss. Yellowing skin or eyes. Persistent cough with or without blood. Sudden numbness or weakness. Unusual bleeding. Fatigue that just won't go away. They're not meant to scare you. They're meant to protect you. Because when you know what to look for, you give yourself the chance to act early, to prevent the worst, to stay healthy, to stay alive. Your body is your best friend, but only if you listen to it. So now, I want to ask you something. Have you experienced any of these signs? Did something in this video feel familiar? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you in any way, even just to get you thinking, please hit that like button. Share this with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Because your health isn't optional. It's everything. And your body. It's talking. Don't wait for it to scream. Start listening now. 7 body signs you should never ignore. Your body is talking. Are you listening? Have you ever had that gut feeling that something just